When's the last time you had your furnace serviced? When's the last time you had your furnace serviced? As temperatures drop, your furnace becomes the unsung hero of your home, keeping your space warm and comfortable. But like any hard-working appliance, it requires regular maintenance to perform its best. So, when was the last time you had your furnace serviced? Why furnace maintenance is essential. Regular servicing ensures efficiency. A clean and well-maintained furnace uses less energy, saving you money on utility bills. Longevity. Routine checkups can extend the life of your furnace, delaying costly replacements. Safety. Technicians can identify issues like gas leaks or cracked heat exchangers, which could pose serious risks. Consistent comfort. A well-functioning furnace prevents uneven heating and unexpected breakdowns. How often should you service your furnace? Most HVAC professionals recommend scheduling a furnace tune-up once a year, ideally before the heating season begins. Regular maintenance is especially important if your furnace is older or has shown signs of wear. What's included in a furnace tune-up? A professional furnace inspection typically involves cleaning and adjusting burners, checking for gas leaks or carbon monoxide issues, inspecting and lubricating moving parts, testing the thermostat for accuracy, ensuring proper airflow and checking filters. Signs your furnace needs immediate attention. If you notice any of the following, it's time to call a professional. Unusual noises like banging or rattling. Strange smells, such as burning or gas. Short-cycling furnace turns on and off frequently. Rising energy bills without a clear reason. Uneven or inadequate heating. Don't wait until it's too late. Schedule your furnace service today to stay ahead of winter's chill. A little preventative maintenance now can save you from costly repairs or replacements later. Take action. Contact a trusted HVAC technician in your area to keep your home warm, safe, and energy efficient all season long.